I wish I had some free tenders. Wingstop at that. Hot honey. We got boiled egg. Y'all want some? I know y'all do. Don't eat the fork now. Carbonara. Tea. My first time having these dumplings. I didn't know what to put on it. I'm scared to even eat it. But we're gonna try it. Here, you eat it. Was it good? Let me be the judge of that. I'm scared. Okay. Y'all hungry today.